Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on whatsoever part of the world you are joining from. My name is Saddam. I'm a forex trader and a student as well. Okay, I want to take you guys through what I'm expecting this week on GBPUSD, what the market is likely to print out. We don't forecast or we don't determine the move of the market. We only give our opinion on what we think will likely happen based on technical analysis and whatever analysis you are using. But I'm a pure price action trader, and I'm going to use pure price action to analyze the market and tell you my own opinion on what is likely to happen on the market this upcoming week. Market will be in session like 2 hours from now, and I hope you get to watch this video before Monday so you can be guided in your decision towards GBPUSD this week. Let me start sharing my screen. Okay. Hope everyone can see my screen. First thing I do on GBPUSD is to go to my daily time frame. First thing I do is to go to my daily time frame. Let me clear everything on this chart. I did backtesting recently. That's why you see all these indicators on it. So on my daily chart, as it is clearly seen, my daily chart, we are in a deep uptrend. Right, an uptrend. I draw this my trend line, and you can see that this is my first touch, second touch, this is my third touch. And we know that every third touch of a trend line does the trick. So we are expecting this guy to take on this high before we can expect this high exactly that I'm talking about, this high. This high. We're expecting this guy to take on this high or at least form equal high before we can now start seeing sales to the downside. But for now, judging from the higher time frame, that is the daily time frame, we are in the uptrend. Now, when I come to my 4-hour time frame, when I come to my 4-hour time frame, when I come to my 4-hour time frame, on my 4-hour time frame, as you can see, this market has been ranging. It has been ranging. But after ranging, it came to bounce off from this trend line. And as you can see, it's moving up. And I can also join another trend line from here. Okay. So from daily uptrend, 4-hour uptrend, let's go to a 1-hour time frame because I'm a day trader and I pick my entries on 15 minutes. So I make sure I go to my daily, go to my 1-hour, now come to my 15 minutes. Daily 4-hour, 1 hour, then 15 minutes to make a decision. And on my 1-hour time frame, You can see we've been forming consecutive higher, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Technically, this is an equal high. This is what I'm talking about. This market fails to break on this high on the 1 hour time frame. And laws of market structure or the rules of market structure says that in an uptrend, that pattern of higher high, higher low should keep on moving until an equal highs or a lower high is formed. Now, technically, this is an equal high. I'm saying an equal high because considering the body of this candle, it's an equal high. But if you consider the wick of this candle, it is a lower high. But that does not mean we have reversed from being an uptrend to a downtrend. No, we can only go back to being a downtrend if this low, this recent low that got created here is taken off. So what we are expecting right now is we mark this zone out. We mark this zone out. Now, there are two things here. If this market comes up and break on this zone, we are continuing to the upside. The uptrend is still continuing. If this market comes to this zone and fails to break on this zone, this pink zone that I've drawn, if it fails to break this zone, we are still in an uptrend. But if it breaks on this, if it breaks this zone, we have reversed from being an uptrend to a downtrend temporarily, because this is the 1 hour time frame, temporarily, until this trend line is broken. So two cases here. If we break on this pink zone here, we are heading to the upside. The uptrend is still continuing. If we break on this zone here, if we break on this low, if we take on this low to create a lower low, then we have reversed from being an uptrend toward a downtrend. Note that, please. Please note this. Note this. However, if the market breaks on this zone, this high, we are continuing to the upside. Judging from even the 4 hour time frame, it is seen clear. Let me draw this trend line properly. This is a second. We'll draw this trend line properly. I think the trend line is small. Okay. So from here, this zone is where you should be looking out for. If we are able to take on this low, we are in an uptrend. We are in a downtrend. We have moved from being an uptrend to a downtrend. If we take on this pink low, if we also take on this, we are continuing to the upside. However, this market can come here. This market can come here, can come to this trend line. This is a minor support here. This is a minor support. This market can come to this trend line at the same time, this support zone, and bounce off. So be watching out for two things. Either we get to this trend line. If you see a reversal pattern from here, you are free to long. Let me go to our okay. If you see a reversal pattern here, you are good to long. Or here, If it comes here, fails to give you a reversal pattern like an engulfing, a tweezer bottom, a morning star, don't trigger, don't take action. Wait, if it comes here and it doesn't give these three candlestick patterns I've mentioned, tweezer bottom, engulfing, and morning star, don't take any action. And if it takes on this low, know that we are in a downtrend. We have moved from being an uptrend to a downtrend, and your bias should change from buying to selling. So when I come to the 15 minutes, because I execute my trades on the 15 minutes time frame. So on 15 minutes, this is what I'll be looking at. On 15 minutes, this is what I'll be looking at. My draw, this. Okay. This thing is acting like it has broken this counter trend line. That means we are coming here, if possible here. So that's that. I don't want to use the 15 minutes, but 15 minutes doesn't hold much water. And lower time frame analysis is kind of limited. That's why I feel like, or I enjoy using the higher time frame analysis. So that's it. Watch out. If it fails to break this one, right now it is acting like it is reversing. If it fails to break this and it comes to this guy, don't take action until you see candlestick reversal patterns. If it comes to this guy, wait until you see reversal candlestick patterns. If it breaks this guy, don't even think of buying again. Forget about buying. Start looking for sales. Start looking for sales. Start looking for sales. That is that in today's outlook or today's forecast on Gbpusd. I trade only Gbpusd. That's why I just went through only Gbpusd. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Please be cool. Subscribe. Turn on the notification bell. Anytime I post a video, you'll be the first person to see, especially weekends, because I'll be doing backtest live on weekends with you guys. I'll do backtest, tell you the current patterns that are printing out, and you should be looking out for them in the upcoming week. And I'll also be giving you daily analysis on Gbpusd for 15 minutes. And I'll also be sharing my strategy with you live. This is a strategy I've been using for, it's been long now. And the strategy is very good, very, very good. You love to have it. But that's just my opinion on Gbpusd. This upcoming. Subscribe, share this video, comment below, ask any question relating to Forex trading. Any question, any damn question you have about Forex trading, please ask below and I will be there to answer you. Stay tuned, stay safe, stay from trouble, and see you next time.